back. Hey, I don't know if you know this, but it is Cyber Monday. So we've got our friend from Nerd called Ryan Eldridge here with us this morning, talking tips on how to get the best deals this morning. Yes. You got to be armed with the right tools and equipment, and of course, knowledge.
You don't want to be a beginner on Cyber Monday.
Yeah.
You don't want to get out there and be like, well, I'll just buy whatever's out there, right? Because then you're just going to look like a fool when you don't save an extra $10. So we're going to show you how to do that today. So first, a little background. Everything's on sale. Yeah. Just, you know what, just go buy that dog from your neighbor, whatever you want. Everything's on sale today. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
It is going to be the biggest shopping day of the year. This is even bigger than Black Friday, $7.9 billion last year, and this year will completely destroy it. Okay. The kinds of things you're going to be buying today is like laptops, speakers go on sale, beauty products, and of course, toys.
Lots of toys. Lots of toys, okay?
But still no Baby Yoda, you guys. Oh, so ridiculous. Okay, so first thing you want to do is set up an email account, something that is dedicated to shopping. Okay. And the reason why you want to do this, if you have to reset passwords at websites, you've saved your credit cards at websites, things like that, you want to put it all in one place so that you don't have to worry about it. Plus, if they sign you up for a newsletter, you don't want that stuff all year long. So set up a fake account, Gmail, Hotmail, whatever you like. Okay. Okay, next, watch out for traps. There are a lot of retailers out there that will sell last year's products for what seem like good deals, but they're not really. So you want to just make sure. Compare prices. Don't just take their word for it. Go to a couple of different sites to get the best deal. Okay. Also, you want to watch out for phishing scams. If you get an email that says, hey, I got the best deal ever on this whatever, and you click it, be aware that could be a fake email. It could be a fake website that you put your credit card in, and then all of a sudden you don't have any more money. Right. So watch out.
Okay, be careful for that.
What you want to do is set a budget. Make sure that you stick to it. If you can, make a list.
Easier said than done.
I know, but if you don't, here's the thing: if you don't make a list, you're going to just go willy-nilly, and pretty soon you won't be able to afford your car anymore. Right. So you want to make sure you make a list and stick to it, and try to stick to your budget. Now, while you're shopping online, use a couple extensions. Number one, any browser you got, Chrome, Safari, whatever, add Honey to it. This was just purchased by Amazon, by the way. Okay. But Honey's awesome. Any website you go to, it'll automatically give you those coupon codes. Oh. So you don't have to search for a coupon code every time. Add those to your orders on just about anything today. Okay. Also, Retailmenot always has coupon codes. So if Honey isn't working out, go to Retailmenot. You just can check out just about anything. If you actually go out into a retail store, you can also kind of look at deals. And last but not least, use your red card if you're going to Target, extra 5%. And don't forget Kohl's Cash. For every $50, you're going to get $10 to $15 back that you can spend in just a couple of days. Wow, that's a sweet deal. Kohl's is a good deal, even online. Okay, sounds good. All right, so now you've got the knowledge. Yes. Now we're gonna next hour we're gonna find the specific deals on some of the items. Oh man, I got so many good things. We spent all night last night. My wife and I were just pounding away finding every single. We were online looking at deals. Okay, so basically, Lori and I are going to be able to finish off our shopping list today, thanks to Ryan. Yes. Awesome. That's what I heard. All right. More on that coming up next hour. Back over.